I gave myself takeout as a reward for waking up. Yep, you heard that right. So I've tried everything to wake up early. Phone alarms, math alarms, alarms where you pay money to wake up, sunlight alarms, two alarms, alarms in my bathroom, and nothing worked. So I told myself, if you wake up at 7 a.m., then you can treat yourself to takeout for breakfast. I still don't wake up. I've had that promise for myself for like a month, and it still doesn't work. So finally, today it worked, and I treated myself, and it did work the next day. So this is just a video to say, guys, if you have anything to help me wake up, let me know. Because I can't. And I always wake up late for class. I haven't woken up at 7 a.m. like in ages.